Hi everybody, I'm your host Joe Jurek with Real Estate Investing Adventures. Why? Because real estate is fun and it should always be an adventure. What am I going to talk about in this video? I'm going to talk about the playlist of trying to locate and do deals. So this video playlist is going to feature videos that talk about deals. If you're a return guest, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Who the heck am I? My name is Joe Jurek and I'm a real estate investor, but I have the ability to travel all over the country, work with people just like you that are trying to get started in real estate or take their real estate investing to the next level. If you'd like to talk to me about my consulting, please feel free to reach out and contact me. In this video, I'm talking about my playlist about deals. The biggest thing I hear from people all over the country is it's hard to do deals in my area, or I don't know all the steps from A through Z to getting a deal done, or I don't know how to do certain aspects of the deal, from finding the deal to evaluating the deal to having an exit strategy to profit from the deal. So in this video playlist, I've taken a bunch of videos I've done over the years. I will continue to add new videos to this playlist. So I do hope you enjoy the video playlist on deals. Get out there, crush it, make those dreams a reality. Take care, believe and achieve.
Do it now. Believe and achieve. Take care.